I'm going to show you how to complete your vocabulary assignment in virtual day number 1. If you look at the directions, it says choose 3 vocabulary terms from lesson 3 to complete this assignment. The key terms are listed on page 155. So we're going to click Open Assignment with Kami. And there we go. So since this is the first time that we're doing this type of assignment, I'm only having you do 3 vocabulary terms. So if you go to the textbook and to page 155, you'll see that on the left side, the left margin, you'll see there are 9 vocabulary terms. So I want you to choose 3 vocabulary terms to complete this assignment. Now, for this example, I'm going to go to lesson 2 and use the CAS system as an example. So let's go back to Kami, to the vocabulary assignment. And what we're going to do is, because we're going to make several different text boxes, we're going to go over to the left to this capital T, click on the capital T, and this will make our text boxes. So in the middle here, whatever your vocabulary term is, that is what you're going to put in the middle. CAS system. Is my vocabulary term. So I am finished with that part. Now the official definition is the definition that comes from the textbook or from the glossary or from, let's say, a dictionary. Okay, so I'm going to just go to the textbook and I'm going to see what it says for the caste system. So it says the caste system divided Indian society into groups based on a person's birth, wealth, or occupation. So that's what I'm going to put for the official definition. Then I'm going to fix the text box so everything fits in the upper left official definition box. And then I'm going to go to the right, where you can do whichever part you want to do next, but I'm going to go to the definition in my own words. So, in my own words, as a teacher, I would describe it as a social class system that Indians are born into. So the definition in my own words, that is how you would describe it to somebody. Okay. And I could be even more descriptive with this. Okay. Say based on their parents' occupation. Okay. So that's definition in my own words. So however you would describe it to somebody. And down here, an example sentence is just using the term in a sentence. So I'm going to type is the caste system was abolished by the Indian government in 1950, however, is still practiced today. That is my sentence. Okay, so I'm 3/4 of the way finished. And then the last thing you're going to do is you're going to insert an image or a picture. Now, the easiest way to do this, and something that's nice in Kami that you may not have used before, you go down to Add Media on the toolbar, click Add Media, and then you'll see there's several different things you can do. But if you go to Google Image Search, click on that, you can type in the vocabulary term, and you can see what pops up. I can see here for the caste system that some diagrams popped up, but I'm just going to choose one of these. You can choose whichever one you want, but I'm going to choose one since this is an example. And I will drag this over here, click there, and then you can, if you go down, there's like this blue circle at the bottom. You can drag the corner up and reposition it, and then there you go. Okay, so that is what you're doing. So if this were my assignment, I would have already completed one vocabulary term, and then I would go to the textbook and I would find 2 more that I need to do. And then whenever you're finished, you're going to click Turn In, and I will get a copy of it.